What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Heavy Wrench. Today I'm working on an Atlas Copco QAS 70 generator, and I'm going to show you how to get into the monitor for hooking up the service advisor. So we're going to go over here. First thing I've done is found my EDL port, my diagnostic connector port. I'm in the way of the light. We'll put that about right here so you can see it. Anyway, hook it up, and it will not connect without finding the diagnostic switch. Most of these generators and OEM engines that we work on, you have to find a couple of pins to power up the ECM without actually letting it start. So this generator in particular, I did find a dtac case. That's what actually got me to figure out how to connect to it for this Atlas Copco. And the dtac case number, if you have the John Deere service advisor open or go to dtac or CCMS now, is 100183. That is a dtac solution number for hooking to this here. But I'm going to go through it today in a video just so you guys can see it the same as me and see what we have to do. So I'm going to flip the camera around here and see what we got. Make sure I can get you guys seeing the actual monitor here. Want that light on or off? Probably leave that off. So microphone around too so you can actually hear me. A lot of shaky going on here. So we're going to turn our ignition on, or our battery switch on. Now we actually have it where we're powered up here. To start it, we would hit this green button, but we don't want to start it yet. We just want to power up the ECM. So we have to do a few steps to do that. We're going to scroll down until we find the word parameter. We're going to hit the check mark. Now it comes up with running time, but we're going to scroll down until we get to diagnostics. We're going to hit that, the enter button. The password for this one is 2003. And we're going to turn diagnostics on, scroll up, hit the check mark. This light up here turned on the last time after about 30 seconds. You should hear your VGT actuator actually click and turn on, but it should come on here shortly. And we're going to go over to the computer, the laptop, which is hooked to the other end of my EDL, and we will see what we got. So I use a extension cable to get from my EDL. There it goes. Hear that? I don't know if you heard it or not, but I use an extension cable to get to my laptop so I can actually use my laptop over here at my toolbox. So we're disconnected right now. I'm in Service Advisor under move this back for you, maybe you can see a little bit better that way. So I'm disconnected. We're in codes because I want to check the codes on it. It had coolant codes on it. They're already cleared. I should have left them on there, but either way, we're going to connect to this and we're going to see what I'm going to show you what I can do to clear the codes, but make sure I connect to it. It takes a minute sometimes for John Deere to connect, which is kind of a odd thing. You think it'd be a little quicker, but it doesn't matter if my extension cable's on there or not. It's about the same amount of time to connect. It's not really inhibiting my information transfer via the CAN bus. So, and we're almost there. And there we are. We are actually connected. We can go to test now, calibrations, all sorts of stuff. I guess I could run the show everybody the let's do the load profile test here. It's in a gen set. We'll hit OK. This will give us a load profile of what the machine's been running. As far as time, I think it has 348 hours on it. Not very much. We're gonna go down here. Oh wow. We have a 20% load for 33 hours, 0.9. So most of its life, it's been running at about 1750, which is good for a genset, but only at 20% load. Probably gonna have to see if the customer could ramp that up a little bit more. And now I might actually do a service regen on it because of that data, because that's not really it's not really a lot. So what I'll actually do is probably go through and see what my soot load is, and maybe I'll end up doing another video on a service regen on it. So thanks for tuning in today, guys and girls, whoever's watching this. I appreciate it. And if you guys want to, hit the subscribe button if this is your first video of mine you're watching. There's a lot of different stuff on my channel. Follow me at TheHeavyWrench on Instagram. And as always, keep that iron moving.